Isn't it wild how we learned so many things in school that we'll probably never use? Like trigonometry or the exact date of some historical event. Stuff that doesn't really help us in everyday life. But when it comes to basic life skills, like managing money or keeping a clean home, they never really taught us that. So, today, I'm going to teach you some of those essential skills. Let's dive into 25 tips that can actually make a difference in your life. Let's break down some common cleaning and laundry myths and separate the facts from the fiction. Myth 1. More detergent equals cleaner clothes. You might think that using more detergent will get your clothes cleaner, but that's actually not true. For example, my kids used to think that when their clothes were extra dirty, they should add more detergent. So, they'd toss in multiple pods, thinking it would do the trick. But all it did was leave extra detergent residue on their clothes, making them feel sticky and even dirtier. The truth is, you actually need much less detergent than you think, and overusing it can make things worse. Keep it simple, and you'll get better results. Myth 2. Hot water is the best for cleaning clothes. A lot of people assume that you need to wash clothes in hot water to get them clean, especially towels and sheets. But in reality, modern detergents are formulated to work best in cold or warm water. I've personally switched to washing everything in cold water, and it's saved me money while getting my clothes just as clean. There's no need to waste energy with hot water. Cold water works just as effectively and is gentler on fabrics. Myth 3. More cleaner means cleaner. You've probably seen those viral videos where people dump tons of cleaning products into a bucket to tackle their floors. But the truth is, using more cleaner doesn't necessarily mean it's cleaner. Overusing products can leave behind residue on your surfaces, which attracts dirt and makes it harder to clean next time. Myth 4. Bleach cleans everything. Bleach is great for disinfecting, but it doesn't actually remove dirt or grease. It's more of a sanitizer. So, to get rid of grime, stick to soap and water. Use bleach only for disinfecting afterward. Myth 5. Air fresheners eliminate odor. Air fresheners don't actually eliminate odors. They only mask them. If you want to get rid of smells, try using baking soda, a carbon filter, or even Febreze. Believe it or not, Febreze doesn't just mask the smell, it removes the particles causing the odor. Myth 6. Disinfecting wipes actually work. Disinfecting wipes are commonly used, but they're often not as effective as you think. To actually kill germs, the surface has to stay wet for about 5 minutes. Most people wipe down their entire house with a single wipe, which means they're just spreading germs around. Myth 7. Feather dusters remove dust. Feather dusters don't really remove dust, they just move it around. For more effective dusting, use a Swiffer duster or a damp microfiber cloth to trap the dust. Myth 8. More scrubbing equals more clean. Scrubbing harder doesn't always lead to cleaner surfaces. In fact, excessive scrubbing can damage the finish on your tubs, toilets, or countertops. A gentle touch and the right cleaner will work much better. Myth 9. Vacuuming every day will ruin your carpet. Contrary to what many believe, vacuuming every day won't ruin your carpet. In fact, manufacturers recommend frequent vacuuming to extend the life of your carpet and reduce dust buildup. So, don't fall for these cleaning myths. They might be doing more harm than good. Let's keep things simple and effective so our homes stay clean and clutter-free. Myth 10. You have to make your bed right away. Making your bed first thing in the morning might sound like the perfect way to start the day, but the truth is, it's better to let your bed air out for at least 30 minutes. Why? When you immediately make the bed, the moisture trapped in your sheets can create a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and dust mites. So it's okay to skip making the bed as soon as you wake up and let it air out a bit before tidying up. By debunking these myths, you'll not only simplify your cleaning routine, but also help make your home safer and more efficient. So next time you're doing laundry or tidying up, remember, less is often more. Let's bust some common myths about cleaning your bathroom. Starting with one that many people still believe: that toilet cleaner can clean all your bathroom surfaces. I've given it a shot myself, trying to clean grout with toilet cleaner, and honestly, it doesn't work well at all. The chemicals are way too strong, and they can actually ruin the finish on your tub, sink, and countertops. Plus, it's toxic. So lesson learned: save toilet cleaner for the toilet and nothing else. Next, there's the idea that if you shower every day, your shower doesn't need any cleaning. But let's be real, that's not true. Taking a shower doesn't clean the walls or corners of the shower. Eventually, you'll notice some pinkish mold starting to form, and that's not something you want hanging around. Giving your shower a quick spray with a disinfectant or cleaner once a week is a great way to prevent that buildup, and you can even do it while you're still in there. Let's talk about some cleaning myths that just don't hold up, starting with the idea that your dishwasher cleans itself. I used to think the same, but over time, I realized that food particles, mold, and grime build up in your dishwasher's seals and filters. If you're not cleaning your dishwasher regularly, all that buildup just gets spread around your dishes, making them not as clean as you think. Another myth that's often heard is that hot water, lemon, and salt can clean your cutting boards. If you're using a wooden cutting board, that's just not enough. Wood absorbs bacteria, and no amount of lemon or dish soap is going to sanitize it completely. Instead, you need something stronger, like vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or even diluted bleach. Just make sure to rinse everything thoroughly afterward to avoid any lingering smells or residue. Now, let's bust the myth of microwaving sponges to clean them. While you might think heating a sponge in the microwave kills bacteria, it doesn't get rid of food particles or grease. The sponge might smell better, but it's not fully cleaned. So, maybe skip the microwave method and try something else to keep your sponges in check. And here's another one: using wood polish to clean wooden furniture. While products like Pledge are commonly recommended, they leave behind an oily residue that actually attracts more dust and dirt over time. Plus, if it gets on your wood floors, it can create a slipping hazard. Let's just be real. Wood polish is not the best cleaning solution. Finally, there's the myth that cleaning once a week is enough. While it's great to do a deep clean every now and then, daily maintenance is key to keeping your home tidy. Simple tasks like wiping down high-traffic areas and doing dishes daily can make a huge difference in how your home feels and looks. So there you have it. Forget these myths and stick to cleaning strategies that actually work. It'll save you time, energy, and money, and your home will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more helpful tips. One common cleaning mistake is forgetting to clean infrequently used items. Areas like closets, top shelves, and other spaces that aren't regularly touched tend to get overlooked. For example, your closet might look organized, but dust and debris can accumulate on higher shelves that you rarely touch. If you don't clean them regularly, they can attract more dirt and allergens over time. To avoid this, schedule regular cleaning for these spots. For instance, cleaning your wardrobe every few months not only helps to prevent dust buildup, but also allows you to assess whether you still need certain items, which can help with decluttering. Another example is wiping down the top shelves in your kitchen or bathroom that are often out of sight. These areas can collect dust and grime without you realizing it. By paying attention to these overlooked areas, you'll ensure that your entire home stays fresh and tidy, and you'll maintain a healthier environment. Thanks for sticking around until the end. You know how I once raved about my fancy cleaning gadget, like that robotic vacuum I thought would change my life? Well, spoiler alert, it was a bit of a letdown. It looked good on paper, but it got stuck in every corner and didn't do half of what I expected. If you're thinking of getting one, maybe skip it. Seriously. Also, I had planned on showing you a fancy mop and bucket set for this video, but here's the truth. I don't even own those anymore. I've ditched all the extra cleaning tools and now just use basic things like a microfiber cloth and a bottle of eco-friendly cleaner. Honestly, they work just as well, if not better. Sometimes simple is better, right? And a quick tip from me. You don't need all the complicated gadgets and cleaning products out there. It's about finding what really works for you. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Drop your favorite cleaning myth in the comments below, and let's keep learning from each other. I'll be back next time, hopefully with a new gadget to try, if I don't return it first. See you soon!